Okay. So hello again. I am here. And can you please type in our meeting chat and tell me how are you feeling today? Using emojis. Do you know what is an emoji? So it's like this. Oops. It's like this one. Go on. Show me your emojis. Send me a happy face if you're feeling happy, a sad face if you're feeling sad. Oh, yeah, we have a sad one here. Yep, very good. And also, so that teacher can read your name properly before we start, just like what I always say, please change your name to your English name so that I can call you better. Like Sunny. What else? Let me see. Who are my students for today? We have Blue and Pink. Oh, that's a nice name. We also have Anna. Cherry. Oh, thank you. Let me. Nick. Mark is here. Anna. We also have Harry Potter. Oh. And Vin. What else? Del. Let me just call your name if you're. Linda is here. Oh, take care. Sunny, hi. What else? I want to read your English name. Alex, V, Jenny, Peter. Another Alex, Sherry, Holden, Bean, Sunny, Linda, Jenna, Alex. We have a lot of Alex tonight. Sunny as well. Iris. Okay, so hello everyone. I am happy to see you again today. Mhm. All right. Oops. Let's go. So before we start, just like what we always do, we okay. We are going to start with this one. I want you to use our meeting chat and tell me what is your church name. Let's see if you can remember my name. I'm okay. Let's see your answers. May. Very good. Yay! You remembered my name. Yes, I am Teacher May, and Teacher May is happy to see all of you. Okay, hello, hello. Now let's start with another question again. Mm, Another question is I want you to describe your teacher in one word. Just one word. Let me read it. One word. Is teacher kind? Pretty? What else? Great. Yes, thank you so much. A good teacher. Thank you. Kind? Hmm. Oh, thank you so much. So I can read all your answers here. So I encourage everyone to please message on our meeting chat. Then, mhm. So before we start, even though teachers been telling you this, please remember our rules. Okay? We only have 6 in this class. So you have to keep them in mind. Number 1 is you have to be respectful. Number 2, in here, in our meeting chat, we only need to use English. Okay, just English. Then number 3, you have to be patient with yourself. Number 4, I want you to participate actively. You answered my questions. I want you to help each other. And number 6, have fun. Yay. Mm. So I think a lot of you are excited about about our game for tonight, right? In this class, we always have a game. Mm. So you are going to use the meeting chat this time for your answers. And our game for today is the butterfly spots counting game. All you need to do is to count all the purple spots that you can see on the picture. We're not starting yet. Let's go on with the first one. Oopsie. Mm. I have here 30 seconds, and you have to tell me how many spots the purple one can you see. Let me see. Oh, just one answer is fine. Just tell me one answer. Okay. 210. Let's see if your answers are correct. All right. If you answered 13, very good. So that is a good one. That's your answer. Good job. Next. In here, how many spots can you see? This is not 13 anymore. You have to count. Have to answer on our meeting chat. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I can see all of your answers, and your answers are 19. Very good. So if you answered 19, that is a good one. You did great. I'll give you bubbles this time. Bubbles for doing great. Next, how many spots can you see here? Let me see your answers. Zero. Okay, time's up. If your answer is 24, that means you got it right. Very good. All right. Next. How many spots can you see here? This is getting a little bit difficult. Let's see if who can get the answer. 3, 2, 1. Make sure you have your answers already. Let's see. Okay. If your answer is 36 on this one, you are correct. Who got 36? Let's go. Let's read some names. We have Sunny, Bean, Robin, 36. Sunny. Who else? Can, Candup. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to read it. Lan An also got 36. And a lot more. Very good, everyone. Blue and pink. Is everything all right there? Are you okay? Blue and pink? Yes, very good. I was worried. I think something happened, but it's good. Next, how many spots can you see? This is the harder one. This is the difficult round. Mm. Who will get the right or correct answer this time? You have different answers. Okay, but let's see. Who got the correct answer this time? Mhm. If your answer is 42, very good. Yay, Dal got 42. Alex got 42 as well. Who else? Who else? Uh, Alex. I cannot see anything. Titanic, Robin, Alexander. Okay, so a lot of you got 42. So very good, everyone. High five. High five. I got so many of you. Thank you so much. Now, our topic will be about, can you see it? What can you see on the screen? Stop spamming. Okay. Butterfly. Okay. Stop spamming, okay? So because teacher can read it all. Mm. Our topic will be about the butterfly life cycle. Here. So I want you, let's see if you know about the butterfly life cycle. If anyone knows, what is this one? What do we call this one? Do you know? Okay. The butterfly. Yeah, that's actually good. What about this one? Who among you knows what's the name of this? The egg. I saw one. Very good. What about this? Does anyone know what is this? Oh, we have here caterpillar, caterpillar. Oh, lava or larva. I think that is what you are talking about. And lastly, we have here. What is this? Pupa. Very good. Robin, Del. Again, I can only read the words or the names if it is in English. Okay, so that I won't have to make mistakes by reading your name. Pupa, blue and pink. Okay. V, very good. Okay. So today we are going to study more about this butterfly life cycle. And we are going to start by watching this short video. So two.
Our topic for today is life cycle of
Okay. I want you to just watch, listen to the video because later on teacher will have questions for you. Okay, I will give you questions so you have to listen and watch.
a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves.
Hello? Can you tell teacher if you can hear the video? Can you hear it? You type in our meeting chat if you can. Yes, thank you so much for your feedback. So let's continue.
Of a plant. These eggs hatch, and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the eggshell from which it is born. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow.
You look properly.
Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis.
Mm.
Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. These series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called.
Okay. So on this one, you learned. Oop, what happened?
Our topic for today is life cycle of a butterfly.
Wait a minute. Okay. So on the video, oopsie, what is that? On our video, what did you learn? Go on. Tell me, what did you learn about our video? Teacher's gonna open the meeting chat again. So all of your answers must be typed on our meeting chat. You learned nothing from the video. Hmm. Does that mean you didn't listen? What did you learn? You learned about the butterfly life cycle. Very good, Vin. Colden learned something because I know Colden listened. If you didn't listen, of course you cannot learn something. Okay, this is science, Tina. Very good. Okay, Lily learned too. Jenna also learned something. Okay, very good. So I am happy that you learned something for the video. And if not, that means if you didn't learn anything, that means you have to listen very well. The first stage of or in a life cycle of a butterfly is the egg. Right? The egg, teacher's gonna read it for you. The egg or an egg is laid on the leaves of plant by the adult female butterfly. Eggs are generally laid in spring, summer, and even as late as autumn. The size of the eggs varies in size between species. Color and shape can also be very different between species. Now, my question is, have you ever seen a butterfly? Have you ever seen a butterfly? Yes, for Jenna. And Tina, Titanic, and Alexander, Mark, Lily. Okay, the other ones, I cannot hear, I cannot read their names. So that's it. And if you have seen a butterfly before, can you tell me what color did you see? What color of the butterfly? Can I see it? Green? Ooh, I haven't seen a green butterfly yet. Yellow. Yes, I've seen one. Blue, yellow, orange, and yellow for Alex. That's good. Brown. Okay. Colorful. Yeah. The butterflies at times can be colorful. Red. Oh, red would be nice. Lucy, yellow, red, and pink. Thank you for answering. White. Yeah, I always see white butterfly. Swan. Kwang? Oh no, I cannot read your name. I have seen a black and yellow butterfly. Okay, I already read it. Kenny, very good. Mm-hmm. So you've seen a lot of colors. Okay, you have different. You say you have seen different colors of butterfly, but it all starts. It all starts with an egg. Okay, it all starts with an egg, and after, well, if the egg broke or grow, it will hatch, and the butterfly will come out. Or, I mean, a caterpillar will come out. At this stage, the caterpillar's job is to eat and eat some more. As the caterpillar grows, it splits its skin and sheds it about or five times. Question: what is the job of a caterpillar? Anyone? What is the job of the caterpillar? You have to put it here on our meeting chat. Eat. Very good. Eat. All right. Eat. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I can see some students who are not paying attention and keep saying something, keep doing something that is bad. And remember that your classmates can see you also. Okay, your classmates can see whatever you are doing, so you have to be a very good student. Lily, that's good. They, the caterpillar, eat and eat so that it'll have to grow. And when the caterpillar has grown so much, it will stop eating. So after eating a lot, it will become a what? After eating, what will happen to the caterpillar? Let me check. What will happen to the caterpillar? It will be full. Very good, Del. Mark. Okay, it will become a pupa. Yes, Daisy and Tracy. It will grow into a pupa. So this one right here, it it it's quite kind of weird, but this is a pupa. Okay, and the caterpillar is inside the pupa. All right, the big caterpillar is inside the pupa. All right, let me check. Mm-hmm. Teacher told you you don't have to send the messages. You don't have to keep sending them because teacher can read everything. All right. Mm. After the pupa, what do you think will happen? If pupa is in here and we are at the stage of pupa, what will happen after the pupa, Jack? I can see your messages properly. You don't have to message them over and over. What will happen if, or what is the next stage of pupa? What will happen after pupa? Yes, Colden, very good. Who else? Okay, Daisy and Tracy, good job. Sherry, Vin. Oh, we have a lot of correct answers here, but I can't read your name because it's not in English. Peter. Okay, I've seen your answer already. Very good. Okay, so after pupa, we are going to have the adult butterfly. Mm. Inside the cocoon, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly comes out of the pupa. When the butterflies comes out, it its wings are small and wet, just like what you've seen in the video. But the butterfly pumps fluid into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings are strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. All right, let me check your messages right here. I have one question again. If you are going to be a butterfly, let's say you are going to be a butterfly, what color do you want to become? What color of the butterfly that you want to become? Blue. Wow. Yellow. Red. What else? Yellow, blue, black. Oh, also have orange, pink, galaxy. The color of galaxy. Wow. Blue Peter. I've seen it already. Tracy, white and orange. Okay, I'm trying to read all of it. Don't worry. Colorful for Alexander. Blue, like a potato. Daisy is pink. Mm, very good. And if teacher's going to become a butterfly, my color would be here, like the one that I'm wearing right now. My color will be pink. Okay. So same with the other students. They would like to be a pink butterfly. All right. So any questions about what we have learned? Any questions about the butterfly life cycle before we proceed with our mini game? Let's check your messages. If you have questions, you can put that in our meeting chat. Yes, okay, let me see. Daisy and Tracy, no. I have learned that the butter. Oh, you learned this already. Do you like potato? Yes, I love potatoes. All right. So I think you don't have questions anymore about this one. So you will use this meeting chat again to tell me your answers. Okay, you have to tell me your answers in our meeting chat. Currently, we are 75 students. You are maybe 70 students here. So teacher would want to see 70 answers also. Okay, let's check if we are going to see 70 answers. Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. I think I've seen something. It says he doesn't like teacher May. Wait a minute. I want to see it. No. No, I don't like teacher May. It's okay. I like you as a student. So that's fine. All right. Let's go proceed to our mini game. So thank you, Alexander. I'll just have to pause the meeting chat for a while and read the question for you. After reading the question, you may enter it or type it in our meeting chat. Number one. How many stages of butterfly did we learn? How many stages of butterflies did we learn? All right, it's C. 4. Very good. All right, this one is correct. What about number 2? What is the first stage of a butterfly? The first stage of a butterfly. Okay. All of you is getting the correct answer already. Let me see. Okay, B. B, and that means egg. Okay, that means egg. Number 3. Where are eggs laid? So where do we usually see the eggs? Where do we see eggs? Very good. I hope everyone is answering because we are 70 here. Let me see your answers. Mm-hmm. Letter. Very good. It's letter B. Nice. You have to count your correct answers, okay? Because teacher is going to ask about that later on. Number 4. When an adult butterfly comes out of a when does an when does an adult butterfly comes out of the pupa? When thus an adult butterfly comes out of the pupa. Okay, I can see all your answers. Very good. So the correct answer on this one is letter letter C. If your answer is letter C, great job. It very good. Next, for number 5, at the caterpillar stage, what is the caterpillar's job? Let's see. Letter. They eat a lot so that they can grow a lot faster also. Okay, very good. Mhm. So how many scores did you get? Can you count your correct answers and tell me your score? What is your score? Your score is at 5. Oh, I think everyone got 5. Nobody got mistakes? Nobody got 4, 3. Okay, I see one. I saw one. Mm-hmm. Okay, good job. So in here, everyone, you have to look at our screen again. Mm. I have here numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want you to tell me your answer in number 1. What do you think will come to this place? What is the first stage of the butterfly life cycle? Number 1. What is the first stage? Alexander, I can see your score now. Sunny, very good. Tina, Jenny, okay. And Lola. The first stage in the butterfly life cycle is the egg. Very good. Can you raise your hand if you got egg? I mean, if you got the correct answer? Okay, you have egg. Very good. How about number 2? After the egg, what should be the next one? Let me check your answers here. Okay, the next one is the caterpillar or the larva. Is it pupa already? Okay. Number two is the caterpillar or the larva. So if your answer is a caterpillar or a larva, that means you did great. Yay! Next, what about number three? What should be in number three? We have the eggs, the caterpillar, and the... Okay. Jack. Just one answer, please. Just one answer so the teacher can see it properly. Okay, it's pupa. And lastly, for number four, the last stage of the butterfly life cycle, we have, what's the last stage? Alex, very good. Daisy and Tracy. Lucy, Jenny. Oh, Sunny, Vin, Jenna. Okay, and the last stage, Tina. Very good. The last stage in a butterfly life cycle would be the adult butterfly. And it should be like this one. So you can see we have the eggs, the larva, the pupa, and the adult. Oh, so you have a lot of points now, right? We have 5 on the spots, 5 on the mini game, okay, and 4 for this one. So you'll have 14 points if you got it all correctly. Now, are you ready to create your own mind map out of this? Let's see. No. Yes. Yes for V. Okay. You know what, students? The students who like to create his or her own mind map are the students who are hardworking. Let me see who are the students who are hardworking. If you are hardworking, that means you like to do mind map. Mm, Let me see. Just one answer. That would be fine because I can see it. Yes, yes. Okay. So I'm glad that you're all ready to create your own mind map. And I'm thinking that you are all hardworking. Yes. Okay. So in order to create your own mind map, teacher have a sample. Okay, we call this a sample mind map. So as you can see here, wait a minute, I'll just have to turn our meeting chat off. So the first one is that you put your title. Putting your title here is one of the most important process. So our title in our topic today is the butterfly life cycle. And then as you can see here, the arrow is pointing on the first stage, which is the egg. After the egg, we have the larva or caterpillar, and then the pupa or cocoon, the adult butterfly, and as you can see here, it's a fully grown butterfly. Is that clear? Yes. Okay, so you can do your mind map as like this one, or make it like this. So you have a chance, or you have a choice. what mind map should you do? In here, the title is written at the center, right? It says 4 stages. And we also have the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis or the pupa, and the butterfly. Okay? It's just that they had like descriptions in here. So they put sentences to describe the mind map. And that is also very good. Or you can do your mind map as like this. Okay? You start with the egg, the caterpillar, the pupa. We also have here the butterfly that is emerging or going out of the pupa before it became an adult butterfly. Okay. Mm. So please tell me if you have questions. I want you to message that on our meeting chat. Tell me if you have questions about the butterfly life cycle. Mhm. Stop spamming our meeting chat, Don. I mean, Do, Dang. Is that it? Eh. Stop spamming. Yes, you have a question, Kenny. What is your question? Please type it in here. Oh. Teacher will answer questions about the butterfly life cycle. Okay, I see. I saw something. Who is that? You only have to ask questions that are related to our topic. Hi, Cherry. Thank you so much. Teacher may feels the same way to you. Very good. Yes, only about the butterfly life cycle. What is your question, Colden? Please drop it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and which butterfly lays the first egg? Are you asking me if it's a boy or a female or a male one? Because the female butterflies are the ones who will put the eggs, right? Put the eggs on the leaves. Leave the eggs on the leaves. Thank you, Anna. Good question. This is a question from Destroyer. Why did butterfly need a pupa to turn into a butterfly? Anyone? Why do you think so? Mm. Why do you think? Why do we think we need? Why do you think we need a pupa to become so that the butterfly can become a butterfly? Anyone who has an answer? Why do you think so? It's a good question from Destroyer. Why do we need to have a pupa? Mm. It's because it's because the butterfly or the caterpillar needs that so that it can have the wings. Okay? The cocoon and the silk are helping the caterpillar to grow by sleeping. After eating, right, the caterpillar will slip inside a cocoon and it will become a pupa. Thank you, Yanni. I feel the same way too. Good job. All right. Is that understood, Destroyer? Why is your name like that? I think you have to change that. You have to change that into a nice English name. Who doesn't have an English name yet? Teacher can give you your English name. Thank you, Luffy. Luffy? Oh, why butterfly? Why does butterfly can fly? You know what, Tien? It's because aside from having wings, the butterfly is an insect, and most of the insects can fly. All right. So I think we have an answer here. Wait a minute. Let's check your answer. A caterpillar spends most of its time eating. However, hormonal changes occur and the caterpillar loses interest in feeding. Then it knows it's time to become an adult. So the caterpillar finds a sheltered, safe spot where it will transform itself. Thank you so much, Tina. This is actually very good. So we have to remember all that. Last question from Teacher May. What did you learn today? Can you tell me what did you learn today? You can message that on our meeting chat. You type it in our meeting chat. Let's see if my students learned something today. Lily, the butterfly life cycle. What else? Stop spamming. Lily, butterfly life cycle. Mm-hmm. Today, we learn about the butterfly life cycle. Okay. Yes. I can see some of the students answering. Where are the others? They're not answering anymore. Okay. Hello, everyone. You can unmute your microphone this time so that we can bid goodbye to each other.
Teacher, say something.
Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Good job. And I'll see you again on our next class.
Teacher, how old are you? Teacher,
Can you
teacher,
guess? Don't shout, please.
teacher, how old are you?
Teacher's not going to answer questions. Okay, that's not related to our topic.
Information. I already sent it in the chat.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Okay, okay.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye everyone. And I'm going to see you again on Sunday.
Bye, teacher.